Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded bullish in the morning analysis. I asked you to remain long on Dow Jones till the time it trades about 33,180 levels, and for US 100 it was close to 10,985, 10,940 levels. Now both have seen a good rise, and I hope you all profited so far. Now what to expect with the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. On the hourly charts, you can see it has created a base here at 10,970, 10,980 zone. This is a very strong support zone, and then below that 10,940, 10,900. Till the time it trades about 10,900, 10,880, you can remain long. You can stay bullish. Remember, till the time it trades about 10,880, 10,900, you can stay long on NASDAQ 100 probably. See what it is trying to do. It is trying to achieve the highs. This time it has fallen short of the highs. Probably we can see it trading beyond 11,100 also. So be cautious there with the shorts, that is for sure. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD is bullish here. RSI is also looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, interestingly, on the 2-hour charts, the 100 period moving average has provided it a support. Only sell entry today I will recommend is below 10,940. Then you can expect 10,900, 10,880. And remember, only I will be bearish if it breaks below 10,880 levels, else there is always a possibility of a rise. Once it trades beyond 11,100, remember, once it trades above 11,100, you can stay long in NASDAQ 100 for the rest of the week for 11,300, 11,400, 500 also. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is also looking upwards and staying strong. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See, one thing to observe here on the 3-hour charts is lower lows, and see these levels here. Almost all these candles are either opened or closed at the same levels. This is definitely a very strong support level, and that is why I am recommending you to sell only at 10,940, and then you can expect 10,900, 10,880 as the major support. Right now it is looking upwards. Probably it can try to break past 11,100 this time. There is a possibility exists for this. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to the highs. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, staying strong here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, the 50 period moving average provided a very strong support. This much size of candle definitely one can expect. So 50 points almost, and 50 points are almost done. So 11,050 is there. Then 11,100 levels we can expect in NASDAQ 100. This is going to be a good resistance zone. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD bullish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. See, already it has achieved the highs. How high it can go? Definitely see this zone. This is going to be a good resistance, that is 11,100 levels. I will be definitely watchful of this, because beyond that definitely one can expect 11,250, 300 zone, which is the next resistance zone. Directional movement bearish, it can converge. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross, and this time it can sustain the bullish momentum. Be watchful of this. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, only sell entry today I will recommend is below 10,940. At the same time, rather right now it is at 11,040 level, and now a safe buy position I will recommend is beyond 11,100. So for these 160 points, let's be cautious, let's be watchful. There is no harm in being patient and watchful. Yes, you can buy at 11,060 levels, expect 11,100 as the next target, and then 11,180, 200 also can be expected. If not today, possibly tomorrow or in this week, we can expect those levels, and hence one can stay long beyond 11,060 levels for the day. But you have to trail your stop losses, as already for the day it has seen a good rise, and hence it can show you good swing also. So stay cautious with the trades. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 once again has got the resistance at 33,400, 500 zone. This is happening again and again, and it is getting resistance at perfectly this zone. It has to break past 33,500, because remember, beyond 33,500 the target is 33,800, 34,000, 34,500, and in fact beyond those levels. Now look at the hourly chart. It is showing a reversal after a good drop. This is a good sign that probably it can try to stay strong. How high it can go? 33,600 is possibly achievable. Till the time it trades above 33, 150 levels. See, very strong support exists at 33,150. Below that, you can expect 33,100 and 33,080. These are the two strong support levels, and only if US30 trades below 33,100, we can expect it to trade bearish. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD trying to converge here. RSI is also cooled down a bit. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, after achieving lower lows, this time the candle is about to start. Probably I'll be watchful of this. If this time it drops, again this is going to be a sharp red candle. So I will be definitely cautious, because we have seen it reversing the trades, we have seen it reversing the gains, and hence if it continues to provide a symmetry from here, probability exists that it can in fact go till towards 33,100. Be cautious. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking forward to a drop. MACD is bullish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see, lower lows are done. Lower highs can be expected. It means 33,470, 480 zone is achievable here. On the downside, till the time it trades above 33,200, I will not recommend you to sell anything. So sell at 33,200, and yes, you can buy above 33,350. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking to a drop. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards, showing little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, lower lows, it means 33,450, 470 levels are achievable. On the downside, 33,200 is a very good support. Moderately bullish levels. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, showing little strength. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, so certainly 33,500 is the level one should watch out for. I have told several times, I am telling you again, and beyond that 33,600, 33,800 is the target. You can buy at 33,350, expect 33,400, 450, 500 levels as the next targets, and in fact 600 can be achieved. Below 33,200 you can expect 33,140, 33,080 and 33,000 as the next targets. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic flat, looking upwards rather. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. RSI is also looking upwards, showing little strength. Considering this, you can buy at 33,350, sell at 33,200. Do not trade in between these 150 points, because already it has seen a good rise. So I am trying to keep a little bit of safety margin, and hence only about 33,350 you can expect. 400, 550 till 500 it has got extremely good resistance, but these are also achievable levels, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside and downside both, because on the downside 33,000 is a very good support. Till the time it trades in between these levels, you have to trail your stop losses, trade accordingly, and trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch starting on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.